Unravel the mystery of first conditional sentences in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we are going to delve into a very important topic: first conditional sentences. Are you ready to enhance your English grammar skills? Let's dive right in. First things first, let's define what first conditional sentences are. These are sentences that express situations that are likely or probable to happen in the future. They are made up of two parts: the if clause, condition, and the main clause, result. In a nutshell, we use the first conditional sentences to talk about real and possible situations. Understanding the structure of first conditional sentences is key to using them correctly. So, how do we form them? A first conditional sentence consists of two parts. 1. The if clause. This is the condition. It's formed with if plus present simple tense. 2. The main clause. This is the result, or what will happen if the condition is met. It's formed with will plus base form of the verb. So, if we put it all together, the formula is if plus present simple, will plus base verb. For example, if it rains, if clause, I will stay at home, main clause. Great! Now that we understand the structure, let's look at how we use first conditional sentences. We use them when the condition is real or likely to happen. For example, if you study hard, you will pass your exam. Studying hard is a real condition that can lead to the result of passing an exam. Remember, the result always depends on whether the condition in the if clause is met. And there you have it, a quick introduction to first conditional sentences. I hope this video has helped you understand what they are, how they are structured, and when to use them. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these first conditional sentences in your English conversations and you will soon master them. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.